Good afternoon and welcome to MarineMax Island Marine, Ocean View, New Jersey. Today we're going to be taking a look at our trade, a 2017 23-foot Boston Whaler Vantage. Boat has the 300 horsepower Mercury on it. Take a look around at the hull. See, it's a very clean boat. Does have bottom paint. Has a white arch, bimini forward and the bimini aft. Your horn. Boat does have a beach boarding ladder out the front. Very clean hull. Windshield. See the ski toe up top. It is here. It's available. We'll go around. We'll pull out the ladder. We'll go inside. We'll take a look through. Thank you. As we come into our 2017 23-foot Vantage, you'll see the flip seat. Does have the sink with a cooler. Helm seat, electronics, fusion stereo, Raymarine VHF, the hybrid touchscreen. Boat has 200 hours on it. Up forward, the seating. There's a table that goes in there, storage underneath. Has a freshwater wash down. This boat does have the beach boarding ladder on it. Does have the arch with the sunshade, rod holders, ski toe. You can see the seat in the back. Some more rod holders. The walk-through door. Another freshwater wash down in the back. Some rod holders on the transom. And we'll take another look. There's a spot for the table also. In the head. Head does have all the covers in it. Very clean boat. It's here. Please call us with any questions. Thank you.